In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to redirect users to a random post in WordPress. It can be an effective method to keep users on your website for a longer duration, reduce bounce rates, and increase overall engagement. When users click on a random post button, they may discover interesting content that they wouldn't have found otherwise. For this functionality, all you need to do is hover over plugins and click on Add New. Simply search for the redirect URL to post. From the list of various plugins, this is the plugin we're looking for. So simply click on Install Now, and you can see the plugin rating over here. The plugin is also compatible with our version of WordPress. Now, once the plugin is installed, click on Activate. This plugin now works directly out of the box. You can use the links provided above, or you can simply copy this shortcode over here and paste it anywhere you like. So let's copy the shortcode from here. Let's hover over Appearance and click on Widgets. Now let's click on the plus icon here and select shortcode. Simply paste the code over here. Once done, click on Update. Now let's view the site from the front end. You can see the button over here that says Random Post. Clicking on it will redirect users to a random post. And this is how easy it is to redirect users to a random post in WordPress. Now, in case you want to also learn how to make post attachments as featured images in WordPress, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.